Hello everyone, on this video we are diving into a super useful features for your Wix website. Is creating a drop-down menu to enhance your site navigation and gives your visitors and customers a smoother experience. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Wix dashboard, then go directly and hit on design sheets. It will take you directly to customize your website. Then first guys, if you want to edit and customize the menu section, there is two options. Go to pages menu on the left side, or you can just select double click on your menu section, then it will appear manage menu automatically. Then hit on manage menu. Then guys, if you want to create and add a drop down menu, just on the bottom hit on this drop down menu icon first. Then first you need to name the folder, for example contact. Then again hit on done. Then you need now to add the menu. Then guys hit on add menu item first. Then for example select the dynamic pages, links, sections or anchor. Then hit on dynamic pages, for example. Then if you are adding the contact folder, for example add your email address first. For example this is the email address, just an example, it's not the real email address. Then hit on then hit on done. Then top email, then hit on done again. Then again add a new menu, for example dynamic pages, again for example phone number, then add your phone number, just an example. Then hit on done. Then top phone number, then hit on done. Then guys, just you need to select the phone number and drag it into contact section. Again email and drag it into contact section. Then as you see guys, this is the drop down menu was created. Then I will show you how to create a second drop down menu. Again hit to a drop down menu icon, then again name the folder, for example catalog, then hit on done. Then now you need to add a menu item, for example dynamic pages, again for example category pages, then hit on done. Again add a menu item, for example dynamic pages. You can add everything you want. Then for example pages, the product page, or you can add, just select add a new page to create a new page. Then hit on done. Then again hit on done. As you see guys, top product, then hit on done. Now guys, you need to again to drag the product section to catalog and all products into catalog section. As you see guys, we are created two drop down menu. Then guys, just go back and hit on save and publish on the top. As you see guys, now your drop down menu was created and published successfully. Just hit on preview to see your website, how it's look like on your website. As you see guys, when you select catalog, it will appear automatically the product and all product, and also if you select contact, the phone number and email, it will appear automatically. Then if you want to add or select, for example product or product, just hit on all product, then it will take you directly to product section. As you see guys, you are now in the product section. As you see guys, this is the easy method to create and add or create a drop down menu on your Wix website with the easy method and without no used and paid version application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.